I'm Thomas Harding. I'm a personal injury lawyer in British Columbia. One of the things that many clients are confused by is why a case takes so long to get to trial. And they come in, they have an injury, they believe that their case is just, and it usually is. And they wonder why it takes so long to put it all together. And of course, in the litigation system, there's a person on the other side who's saying, none of this is true. Weren't injured this bad, don't have those losses, you did something wrong. And so we have to put together the evidence. And the longest part of the case is the pre-trial putting together the evidence, hiring an expert on whatever the field is, whether it's biomechanics or brain injuries or radiology, neuropsychology, rehabilitation, economics, all kinds of issues. Each of those experts has to review all the facts. Many of them have to examine the plaintiff or do tests, do research sometimes, and put together reports. And then the other side gets to review those reports with their own experts and give rebuttal reports. The idea is that by the time we get to trial, both sides know all of the information from the other side, and we're arguing about very narrow issues. But that process takes a very long time. In a typical case, it might take 2 years from the time the plaintiff walks into a lawyer's office until we can be heard at trial.